All right, everyone. This one's a nice algebra puzzle, and it's more elegant than it first looks. So here's what we're given. We're told that x times y equals 1, x times z equals 2, and y times z equals 3. And the question is simple but interesting. In practice, what is x plus y plus z? Before we do anything together, I want you to pause the video right here and just think about it for a minute. See if you can spot a strategy, maybe multiply things, maybe square something, whatever feels natural to you. Okay, let's walk through this together. At first glance, we don't actually know x, y, or z individually. We only know their pairwise products. So instead of trying to solve for x directly, a really clean move is to aim for x squared, y squared, and z squared. Here's the idea. If I multiply xy and xz together, I get x squared times yz. And since I already know yz, I can divide it out. That leaves me with x squared. So doing that, x squared comes out to 2 over 3. Same trick again, multiply xy and yz, then divide by xz. That isolates y squared, which turns out to be 3 over 2. And one more time, multiply xz and yz, divide by xy, and that gives z squared, which is 6. So let's pause and collect what we have. X squared is 2/3, y squared is 3/2, and z squared is 6. Now, here's where the main idea comes in. We're not actually after x, y, and z individually. We want their sum. And the easiest way to get there is to look at the square of x plus y plus z. We know that x plus y plus z squared expands to x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2 times xy plus xz plus yz. So let's plug things in. First, xy plus xz plus yz, that's 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. Next, x squared plus y squared plus z squared, that's 2/3 plus 3/2 plus 6. If you put that all over a common denominator, it comes out to 49 over 6. So now we combine everything. X plus y plus z squared equals 49 over 6 plus 2 times 6. That's 49 over 6 plus 12, which simplifies to 121 over 6. Now we're basically there taking the square root. X plus y plus z is plus or minus the square root of 121 over 6. That simplifies nicely to plus or minus 11 over square root 6, or if you prefer, plus or minus 11 root 6 over 6. And that brings us to this question: do we take the plus sign or the minus sign? There's actually a subtle reasoning choice here, and I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me which sign you'd choose and why. If this explanation helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more math like this, and share it with someone who enjoys problem solving. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.